Hey guys, sorry for the quality of the video. I'm using my GoPro, my new GoPro Hero 8. I'll have a review of this. I really like it. I'm actually in a special situation right now. I'm in the T-Mobile 4G LTE dead zone. I'm in Pleasanton, California. This is the it's called the San Francisco outlets, and I've actually used my electric skateboard, my boosted Mini S, to actually go all the way around the parking lot trying to see if my internet will work. It sometimes barely works. The problem is you can see here that I'm actually getting LTE plus. I'm actually getting 3 bars, all right, almost 4 bars, almost full bars. Yet if I go online and if I try to do anything, let's type GG, it just hangs. All right, if I go on my Twitter, and I actually just posted this, it will just hang. All right, so basically my internet does not work on my T-Mobile, even though I'm getting pretty good signals. I even went inside the outlet malls there, and internet just doesn't work. It's pretty much T-Mobile 4G LTE dead zone. That's what I'm going to call it. So how do you fix this? What if you absolutely need to access the internet? Maybe you have to transfer some money, you know, maybe you have to sell some of your bitcoins, yada yada yada. So in an emergency like that, obviously the best thing to do is get on the Wi-Fi if you can. If you know, if there's no Wi-Fi, like in this parking lot here, there's absolutely no Wi-Fi. So what you can do is you can go into the settings of your phone. Now the menus might be different, but for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus I have here, you can go to settings, connections, and go to mobile networks. All right, just go ahead and find mobile networks. You might be able to just search it and go ahead and change the network mode from LTE 3G 2G to 3G 2G, which will force your phone to connect to 3G, or for T-Mobile it's going to be HSPA plus, and you'll see LTE goes away and you'll see either H or H plus, which is HSPA plus. You'll see H there. So now I'm on HSPA full 4 bars, and also I'm gonna go online, and instead of hanging, my internet will at least work. The speeds are going to be obviously slow, but it's going to be better than having 4G LTE signals with absolutely nothing working. And you can see my messages finally came through, which is great. So the speeds on this is going to be a lot slower, but it's going to be, like I said, it's going to be faster than having absolutely no internet on your 4G LTE. Now this happens a lot here in California. Also happened Ceremony Mall, where I live in Daly City. Seems to happen a lot at malls. Perhaps it's congested. I mean, obviously there's a lot of people, but I mean T-Mobile still should be able to support their network. But obviously they're selling you snake oil. They're selling you 4G LTE. That does not give you 4G LTE speed. So if T-Mobile, you guys are watching this, please fix it or give us special discounts, because this is not acceptable. Now I have to actually force my phone to 3G to get my phone working. And this is how you can fix other networks also. All right, you can just force it to HSPA and make your network work. So this is a great way. If you absolutely need the internet, you can go ahead and fix it. Now if you do go back out to you know, good signal, let's say you leave this mall, outdoor mall, then you can go ahead and change your settings. You have to change your settings back so you can get 4G LTE. So don't forget to do that. But this is you know, something I use whenever I end up in a T-Mobile dead zone. I will actually do this to get my internet working, because sometimes I have to sell some bitcoins and I'm like, oh my god, my internet's not working. So usually I will carry my Verizon phone also, but today I forgot it for some reason. So this is a way you can fix your internet. This should also work on Google Fi phones, because they use T-Mobile and Sprint. So my internet's working. Obviously I can't do stuff like, you know, watch YouTube videos. Well, I might be able to watch it in 360p. I can't upload videos, which really sucks. So yeah, T-Mobile 4G LTE has a ton of problems in California. I think their network is getting congested, and John Legere, he's not doing anything about it. It's really time to like upgrade your damn network, please, T-Mobile. I love you guys, but these 4G LTE dead zones are completely unacceptable. And yeah, just hit the like button so T-Mobile will know. Send this video to T-Mobile, all of you guys watching this, so they know they're gonna try to do something about it. But it's been going on for like last year and a half, and they're doing nothing about it. So this is a temporary fix that will allow you to use your T-Mobile 4G, T-Mobile 3G. Basically, you're paying for 4G LTE, but you're getting 3G speeds. Terrible. Anyway, have a great day, and as always, stay home.